This tutorial will show you how to get Adobe Premiere Pro transition effects online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step to get a free Adobe Premiere Pro preset transitions pack online. Once you have Adobe Premiere Pro open, as you can see here, we have a video clip and another video clip on the timeline. In this case, it's a green screen effect to our original video clip. You want to go under the top left hand screen, under to effects, and then type in whatever it is that you want. In this case, we don't have an effect, so we're going to click on presets, right click, and then click the third option, import presets. Now basically you want to locate on your PC or Windows, Mac, laptop device the preset you would like to import. I'll leave a link in the description below. And basically, as you can see though, assuming that you did have one, it would look something like this, PRPSET file, and then click open. And as you can see, now you have to type in the name of the preset, and as you can see, it has successfully been loaded on Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Now let's say we want this, which is a handheld camera, more movement, or the smoothest effect. If we were to drag this on our video clip, as you can currently see now on our video clip, it looks like someone is holding the camera. Now let's say we want to import another preset. Again, you can click under presets, right click, and click import presets, and then import your other free presets and click open. Now again, you're gonna have to type this in completely for free in Adobe Premiere Pro. As we can see, we have our free smooth transitions pack from Pixel Sammy. In this case, in order to add this presets onto our video clips, click this option. Click the fourth option or icon right here, and then click adjustment layer, which is the fourth option, and then click OK. Drag the adjustment layer on your video timeline, and we're going to add a cut to each video clip, and then we're going to go back under to effects, and we're going to drag down whichever you would like. In this case, spin counterclockwise. And as you can see, we have a transition or effect online in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free.